Hello everyone, welcome to back and biceps. Today you're going to need your weights and a band, or just your band, whatever you're comfortable with. We have a little guest audience today, and I'm going to be using my bike to show you how you could do your band or your back exercises with your band, as if you were using your banister or your railing, if you don't have the attachment for your door. So the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to do hands to forearms and get that warm up in. Excuse how I'm going to be doing this, but going to keep the baby occupied. So we're going to drop up and then down. And we're going to do 10 in 3, 2, 1, and go. That's 1. Next exercise is we're going to do Superman. We're going to do both arms and legs at the same time. You did my glute exercise yesterday. You'll definitely be feeling this one. So both arms and legs up. And we're going to do 12 in 3, 2, 1. Six more. Good. Now one arm out, one leg out. Bird dog, we're going to do 12 on each side, and we're going to do that full extension, 12 each side. 3, 2, 1, and go. Said 12 each side. Good. Now we're going to do some bicep curls. So grab your weights. Now we're going to do it almost to exhaustion, one arm at a time. And then when you're almost done, what you're going to do is you're going to go down very, very slow. And you're going to do 3 of those. So try to do 10, 12, 16 bicep curls, 1 on each side, as we're not focusing so much on biceps today. 3, 2, 1, and go. Up and down, very, very slow. It's 1. Good. Now grab your band and go near a banister or a door. First thing that we're going to do are rows. Alrighty, so you're going to have your grip like this. Ideally, you'd like it a little bit lower, and you're going to pull back and make sure you're really squeezing your shoulder blades together. Alrighty, we are going to do 14 of these. If you have a lighter weight or heavier weight, do as many as you can. We're going to be doing these twice, so keep that in mind. 3, 2, 1. Give myself a little bit more resistance here. Now we're going to be supersetting these with face pulls. So you're going to stay here, switch your grip, and you're going to pull towards your face. We're going to do 12 of those. Good. Now we're going to do lat pull downs. Let's do 14. Get close to that door and pull right down. Let's go for 14. Now we're dropping back down and we're going to do hands to forearms. We are going to do 10, again, like that. 3, 2, 1, and go. Good. Now to Superman's. Drop it down. Okay. Both arms, both legs up for 12 in 3, 2, 1, and go. Good. Now single arm, single leg out, bird dogs as they call them. And we're going to do 20 this time in 3, 2, 1. Nice and controlled. Make sure you're flexing your core. Ten more. Good, now grab your band and let's do 14. Get close to that door and pull right down. Let's go for 14. All right, we're gonna do 20 pounds. See if I can do it. Again, try to do as many as you can, and those last 3 are gonna be really slow, but slow coming up and down. Alrighty, 3, 2, 1. This was our last exercise. Really burn out those biceps. Try not to swing your body. All right, now both. Let's go. Ooh. Last one. Whew. Can I say we did it? We did it. Alrighty. Now, whew. That's killer. Thanks for joining in. Tomorrow, hamstring and glutes. My butt's really sore after yesterday's exercise. So we're really gonna try to really burn those glutes. Thanks for joining in. Please comment down below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know.